Hello viewers, welcome to my channel DV Zillion. Today I am with you with NMMS 2019 TS question paper analysis. In this analysis, we mainly focus on mental ability test, that is MAT. The MAT section of NMMS question paper carries 90 questions with 90 marks. In this section, 18 different model questions are given. We will see all the 18 models like model name, model question description, example question. Let us start. The first model is number series. Finding missing term carries you 5 marks. In this number series, we have to find the missing number at the end or at the middle of the question. In this example, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 are in a series. We can understand that this series is based on squares: 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, and the next term is 6 square. So the answer is 36. Second model is also on the number series. Finding the wrong term in the number series carries you 5 marks. In this question, a series is given, but only one term is wrong. We have to find out the wrong term. In this example, 105 should be replaced with 110. Third model is letter series. Finding the missing letters in the letter series carries you 5 marks. In this example, the series is like this: ABCC, ABBC, AABC. Again it is repeating: ABCC, AB. So the answer is B, C, C, A, C. The fourth model is alphabet series. Finding the missing term in the alphabet series carries you 5 marks. Look at the example question. In each term, 2 letters are given. We have to find the relationship between the 2 letters. And fifth one is Venn diagrams. Finding the correct diagram among the Venn diagrams for the question. This carries you 5 marks. Which of the following diagram indicates the best relation between judge, thieves, and criminals? The answer is second diagram. Sixth is also on Venn diagrams. You have to calculate from the diagram how many number of people or how many number of persons. This carries you 5 marks. Look at this example: a triangle, a circle, and a rectangle is given. The question is how many persons take wine. The rectangular shape represents the wine, so we have to add all the numbers in the rectangle. Thus the answer is 122. Equation correcting. Interchanging signs and numbers carries you 5 marks. In this model, we have to interchange the given symbols, mathematical symbols, and numbers too. We have to replace these numbers and make them sure that the equation becomes true. One should take care that while doing this problem, we have to remember Bodmer's rule. It's similar patterns. Finding missing character carries you 5 marks. Look at this example. Such type of questions are asked. We have to observe the first two shapes, and based on these observations, we have to answer the question in the third shape. Ninth one is word sequence. Arranging in a meaningful sequence carries you 5 marks. In this example, 5 words are given: leaf, fruit, stem, root, flower. We have to arrange them in a meaningful manner like root, stem, leaf, flower, and fruit. 10th one is word analogy. Finding relationships between words carries you 5 marks. Analogy means comparing. There will be relation between first set of words. You have to observe it, and you have to establish the same type of relationship between the third and fourth word. Here in this example, funk is to vitamins, Curie is to dash. Casimir Funk coined the term vitamin. Marie Curie coined the term radioactivity. So the answer is radioactivity. Seventh one, analytical reasoning, finding the number of geometrical shapes in a figure. It carries you 5 marks. In this example, a trapezium is given. The number of trapeziums in the given figure is, I have given a formula for the trapeziums. If n is the number of lines drawn, then the number of trapeziums in a trapezium is equal to n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 2. So the example question, the answer is 10. 12th model is paper folding. Finding unfolded form of figure carries you 5 marks. In this type of question, a paper is folded 3 times x, y, z, and in the z shape it is cut. We have to find if it is open, the shape would be like what. The example shows x is the first fold, y is the second fold, and z is the third fold. And in the z fold, the right side top corner is cut. If it is unfolded, the paper is unfolded, the shape would look like figure 2. And the mirror images is the 13th one. Finding correct mirror image carries you 5 marks. Look at this. Question figure is in X. Answer figures are 1, 2, 3 and 4. The mirror is put in the right side of the question figure. Right side of the question figure. Okay, the answer is 4. Next 14th one, water images. Finding the correct water images. Water images are also known as inverted images. This model carries you 5 marks. Look at the model question. In 66 question number, X is question figure, A, B, C, D are the answer figures. The reflection at the base of the water is shown in the brown arrow, that is below the figure. Then the answer is 3. Finding the different figure from among the figures given carries you 5 marks. For example, look at this figure. Question figures are 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to find which one is different from the rest of the 3. Answer is 1. 16th model is cubes and dices. Finding the color or number of dots on a face of a dice carries you 5 marks. In this example, 4 sides or 4 positions of a dice is given. Each position shows only 3 colors. Find the color which is opposite to yellow. The answer is violet. This is another question in this model. How many points will be on the face of opposite to the face which contains 3 points? First we have to observe 4 cubes or 4 dice, and then we have to conclude for the answer. The answer is 5. And 17th one is coding and decoding. Coding a word as per given pattern carries you 5 marks. In this model question, LAN, LAW LAN is written as JCUP, then SLIT should be coded as L is coded as J, A is coded as C, W is coded as U, and N is coded as P. Likewise, S should be coded as Q, L should be coded as N, I should be coded as G, T should be coded as V. Then the answer is Q, N, G, V. And the last question is on the relationships. This model carries you 5 marks. Finding relationships between persons given in the problem. For example, all the 6 members of a family A, B, C, D, E and F are traveling together. B is the son of C, but C is not the mother of B. A and C are married couple. E is brother of C. D is daughter of A. F is brother of B. And the question is, how many male members are there in the family. For this you have to answer, you have to write all the members details in an order, and we have to conclude from the details the answer. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please share it, subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again.